Why are you laughing at me, Nat? Is it my super good looks? Is that why you're laughing at me? No, seriously, tell me.
I'm not laughing.
Don't scratch your ass, Nat.
I'm not. I'm scratching my back.
Nobody wants to see that.
Hi, Peace. Peace. Can I see?
Oh, is Kate shy? Can she come back in?
Hey guys, I sound like an old man when I laugh.
Oh God.
Guys, we need something to do tomorrow. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna play with Jack.
Don't do that. Honestly, I'm scared. There's nothing to do.
I know.
Kate, tell the camera how much you miss summer.
I miss you, Summer. Come back to me.
So long, sweet summer. So long.
Shut up, you suck at singing.
Thanks.
What you say?
Ooh, la, 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 la.
Oh my Jesus. Where'd you go? I miss you so.
Seems like forever since. Oh my God! Don't do that. You look like the Grudge with your
Good.
black hair.
No, we should watch right now The Omen. Do you know why? I've seen it.
No, it's okay. I'll pass. I can't even handle like E.T. So how am I supposed to handle The Omen? Don't. Hey. Ooh, what's that? Okay, you didn't pull it off that time.
Here, you know what? I'll do it again.
Nope. Now you just look like you look like an evil long-haired rabbit.
Excuse me. Let me do that. Oh my God.
You would be.
You see your hair, like see it. Where?
Ooh, what you say?
Oh, we have no life.
Ooh, what you say?
Oh my God. What? That's our energy drink right there. We tried my pillow. Oh, there it is.
Guys, it's 5:17. Do you know what this means?